Good morning, 7th grade. Today you're going to be beginning your Study Sync Unit 1 entitled In Pursuit. We begin with this Study Sync Blast, which centers around an Olympic athlete by the name of Michael Phelps. You may have heard of Michael Phelps before. He's a world-famous, world-class swimmer. On this page, we're going to be introduced to our theme, what drives us to undertake a mission. You will notice several parts on this page. In the first section in the upper left, entitled Create Your Blast, you will be responding in Twitter format, which means in 140 characters or less, what drives us to undertake a mission. And you can respond by processing your answer here in this space. If you're saying, I don't really know what that means, I don't know how I would be able to respond to that question, down at the bottom of your page, you're going to see a student model. You can open that model and it might give you some ideas as to what your response could be. The second part is a poll. And now remember, none of this is going to be scored. This is all your opinion. What's the most common motivating force? The third section is entitled Number Crunch. This number has something to do with the article concerning Michael Phelps. And you click on the question mark and it'll give you the response. Maybe you want to wait with that until you finish this short article. Maybe one of the most important things that you're going to be going through today is this section for annotating. We're going to be practicing annotating in our lessons up and coming. We're going to be learning how that within our text we're going to be able to highlight. We'll be able to take notes as we go through, and this is going to be extremely helpful to help us to understand the content that we're reading. For today, there's going to be nothing that I'm going to be asking you to underline, highlight, or take notes on, but these directions which I've inserted in here, how to annotate, is going to explain how you can either manually or by using your keyboard highlight text to highlight a specific topic that's in here. So again, you can play around with this, get used to this keyboard annotation tab because we'll be using this in upcoming lessons. So what you should do for today is think about the first unit's theme, In Pursuit, what drives us to undertake a mission. Number 2, respond to the couple of questions that are at the top of the page. Read the short article concerning Michael Phelps. Click on the question mark here, which responds to this number 22 having to do with Michael Phelps. Take a couple of minutes and practice within the text how to annotate. And then when you get finished, you can submit. Submitting the lesson for today, completing these items here in the left-hand column, will give you full credit. Once again, if you have any questions concerning how to log in, how to use this page, or anything else, please be sure to get a hold of me. Thanks and have a great Monday.